if you have a hot water heater and you're getting like a sulfur smell, rotten egg smell, or sediment coming out of the faucets, the big thing is the anode rod. It's located right in this pipe, which is the hot water. So basically what happens is we cut this pipe, we'll unthread this piece out of here, and there's a rod that goes from the top to the bottom, which is magnesium or aluminum. And what it does is it's a sacrificial anode rod. The whole point of it is basically what happens is the water has it's corrosive, and essentially what will happen is this rod will give itself up before the integrity of the tank. So it'll keep the tank from rotting out and blowing a hole all over the ground, so you don't have a water blowout. So a rod like this should be changed every 2 years. That's a manufacturer's recommendation. If you look in the owner's manual, it'll tell you about that.